Whoa, just tripped over my chargers. It's stuck in my shoe, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. So you guys are probably wondering, Katrina, why are your walls so bare? It's packing time. Packing up this room and it's so sad, but let's get into it. Woo! Hi guys! So Hurricane Katrina is in full effect with my room right now. I will show you. New look. Who dis? You guys, I got ready for once. Look at that highlight and contour. Whoop, whoop. Feeling sporty, feeling glammed. You know, I just got done packing up my room. Well, everything that I could. My dad comes in 2 hours. He'll be here at midnight, so I was really bored and I have time to kill, and I thought, why not do my face? Put some makeup on, feel good about myself. And I said, yeah, let's do it. So you guys, I'm just waiting around till I can go get for him from the airport. And tomorrow we're gonna pack up the U-Haul. California, here I come. I don't know why I'm talking in like this weird accent, but you guys just say hello to my makeup face because I don't know when you're gonna see it again next. It's 100 degrees out right now and I'm in a sweatshirt. I refuse to accept that it's hot out and I want to be cozy, so let's go. Hi guys, so I'm in the car now and it is 12:01. Super late to be getting someone from the airport, but that's what's happening. Also, it's so crazy because my dad, he's the best ever, and when I went to GCU, he came out every single year to help me pack up and make the drive from AZ to California, and it's hitting me that this is like the last time he's flying out here to help me pack and move home. Like, I'm not coming back. It's just so weird and bittersweet that this like chapter is coming to a close. Like, what? Also, I'm gonna stop the vlog because once it passes midnight, I start to get real deep and like wanna talk emotional and all that stuff. So it's best that we just drive to the airport and stop an hour. My window needs a car wash.
Where are you going?
I missed you.
Where are you going? You're gonna pass me.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
I'm in Phoenix. Let's get out of here.
Get your luggage. I didn't recognize my own dad and I almost kept driving past. Last time I was here, I had like one of those Uber car or phone holders, and I was coming to pick up my parents like 3 months ago, and a lady came and walked up to my car because she thought I was Uber, but I wasn't.
We can't park there. Why? Because it's covered parking. Alright, so now we're driving around the whole complex like a bunch of
Yeah, don't use that word.
Sorry, cut. We're driving around like a bunch of
There's no parking.
bozos looking for uncovered
I live here.
parking.
I pay to live here and there's not a spot.
You know, that's why we're getting out of here.
Yeah, that's what I'm...
We got a driveway. We got a driveway. We got a driveway.
What are you doing?
Nice plant. Healthy, vibrant. This is my good buddy Chester. I had to staple his leaves in the beginning because he had a broken leaf. It's like a freaking animal in a splint. And this guy, he's good. Katrina's got a green thumb, you think? And look at this guy. Is this Prayer Man?
No, that's Sedona.
Oh, Sedona. Sedona's happening. But we do have one casualty. Yeah.
I didn't show that one in my last
We
vlog.
do have a few green, but it could use some tender loving care. Bye. Sounds good.
Got the U-Haul.
Yeah, I can see it all right now. I'll wear my best.
Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Hold me close, show me, baby, where the light is. I was scared of what I could have started, but you made me feel good.
Oh my gosh.
I can't take my hand.
So today's Friday, which means drum roll, brrrr, moving day. So we were planning on driving Saturday morning, but we thought, why not just head out tonight and drive through the night? Since we'll be in a U-Haul and we're gonna have to be going snail speed, might as well just get it all done through the night. But we're pretty much done, and this is so crazy. Whew, I'm sweating. It's like 103, and
It's not 103.
it so is.
Come on.
And we're almost done, right?
Just about.
Yeah, look at the room. There's not much left. Oh, whoa, just tripped over my chargers. It's stuck in my shoe, okay. This is a lie, because not only is it my gym t-shirt, it's my like casual laying around t-shirt, it's my moving t-shirt, it's my pajama t-shirt. Basically, I just have worn this in every outfit. But we're not judging, there's no judgment here, right? So we're at the U-Haul place. We're gonna put my car in this tow dolly. It's real. It's actually happening. Oh, there he is. Don't you guys just love my beautiful Honda Accord? She has so much character. Just look at that paint job. Beautiful. We're going. We're heading out. Thank you. Woo! Everything's my plants. Safety first.
I'm gonna kill your plants.
Oh yeah,
Oh, and look who's here in Arizona right as I'm leaving. And my beautiful bestie, Alyssa.
I'm the bestie.
They're sending me off.
Don't leave.
Wait, everyone. It's our last. Bye. It's our last farewell.
Bye.
Dad, get in here. Dad, get in here.
I'm so
I'm in.
sad because she's moving to Folsom and we're hanging out every day.
Yay. So not even, what, 2 hours into it? Pit stop for McDonald's, which they have new burgers now, guys, if you're wondering. They're juicy.
They're juicy. They're pretty good.
They are. This probably sounds, our chewing probably sounds so loud on camera. Sorry for anyone who's watching this. Here we go, ready? Since you've been gone. We're hyped up on these. And hold on. We have like 2 hours left. So. Since you've been gone. Who's at the door? Is it Mom or Matthew?
That'd be Matthew.
Are you appropriate for the vlog?
Have Mom come.
And he leaves. It's fine, Matthew. I shouldn't have said anything.
No, that's bad. Don't be. Okay. Are you filming?
Yeah.
The whole time.
Yeah.
You're annoying.
I'm still filming.
Still annoying.
Oh, gotta love my room back home. It's perfect.
We didn't change anything after Katrina left. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And it's time to subscribe!